大家好啊！今天是英国1年1度的焰火节，全村的人都出动去看了篝火和烟花。回家我们吃了暖乎乎的烤羊肉晚餐。大家是不是好久没见到 Gladys 啦？今天我们给她带了苹果。Gladys， 嘿嘿嘿嘿，吃。哦，吃完了她。Marty 不理我们。后面的 Marty 是 Gladys 的妈妈，她一般都不理我们，是不是？就你理我们。哦哟，太近了。吃完了这么快？今天没有榨汁，好，没有了。明天再给你吃，好不好？住在附近的奶奶也带着小狗 Molly 来看 Gladys 了。
Molly's day. Beautiful girl.
Pretty girls.
North.
Right.
婆婆准备提前把羊肉烤上。
Ooh. Yeah, from the butcher. I'm going to brown it, sear it on in here first, and then I'm going to put it in the bottom oven. Yeah.
今天是英国1年1度的 Bonfire Night， 这个节日也叫盖伊福克斯之夜。大家生篝火、放烟花，也是为了庆祝这个人在1605年企图炸毁英国国会的阴谋失败。所以附近村的俱乐部组织了篝火和烟花秀，非常热闹，周边的村民都出动了。看完烟花秀，我跟贝克先回家把蔬菜做上。公公婆婆作为俱乐部志愿者还在收尾。
Happily look at the lamb. Oh, smells nice.
Looking good?
Looking good. Ooh, oh my lord, it's falling apart. It's really well cooked.
That looks nice, can I taste it?
No.
I'm going to do it with corn.
Yeah, just make a corn flour.
Corn flour to thicken the gravy. I mean, water.
That one's boiled. Wasn't very warm out there.
It's a bit cold, isn't it?
It wasn't too bad. Yum. Okay.
Cheers.
Meat sauce.
Mint sauce. Yum. Oh, food.
That's really nice.
Tender and juicy.
Yeah, it's lovely. That's gorgeous. Take your time.
好嫩，
好嫩，
好嫩。
这是慢炖的。
Please. Blue veins, look.
The blue veins.
Blue veins and mould. Yeah, pretty smelly.
So that's brie.
It smells of sweaty socks.
Stilton, your favourite blue cheese.